Okay, so the first step is that you're going to create your own meme. So you click on the link I provided and then click on the link again. And you're going to generate your own meme. You're going to pick a template and then you're going to add text. Once you're done with that, you will then launch the snipping tool and you will just snip the meme you create and then create your slide. And you do that by going down to the bottom left-hand corner for the search. You are going to look up SNI. Oh, it shows up right away. You're going to click on the snipping tool. You're going to click on New, and then you're going to choose the area you want to snip, which is right here. And then you have it. You can file and save as. Or you can go immediately into a Google Slides. And in Slides, go ahead and click on it and right click and paste.